Hello everyone and welcome to another video on our knowledge series. In the previous video, we had understood about the key features and benefits of our new solution, Edelweiss Tokyo Life Active Income Plan. The key benefits in brief are regular income till age 99, combination of guarantees and variable income, secured future through life insurance cover, customizability of the plan, family income benefit, option of enhancing protection. In this video, we will understand the first benefit, that is regular income. This plan allows you to get option of regular income for the long term. The policyholder has the flexibility to choose one of the following income options at policy inception. Early income. Do you want returns as quickly as possible? Early income option. The policyholder can get his or her first income installment back when he or she is still in the premium payment term. The income installments will start from the second policy anniversary itself, so you don't have to wait too long to start seeing returns from your investment. This option is suitable for customers who want their income to start at the earliest. Deferred income. Do you want the returns to start at a later stage for a specific future goal? We have you covered in this case with the deferred income option, where the income starts 1 year after the completion of the chosen premium payment term. This is suitable for those customers who want their income to start from a specific future date. Under both these options, income benefit is provided, which is a sum of guaranteed income and cash bonus. Let's understand a little more about the guaranteed component of both these options. Guaranteed income under early income option starts from the second policy anniversary and is payable till maturity or death of the insured, whichever is earlier. Becomes payable in the form of cash payout annually. Level guaranteed income type is applicable. Guaranteed income under deferred income option starts from the policy anniversary falling immediately after the premium paying term and is payable till maturity or death of the insured, whichever is earlier. Becomes payable in the form of cash payout annually. Choice of level or increasing guaranteed income type available. As we have seen, the early income option gives you income starting from the second policy year. The deferred income option has the further option to receive a level guaranteed income or an increasing guaranteed income. Let's understand these further. Level guaranteed income. Payout remains the same throughout the payout period and will be equal to 1.5% of sum assured on maturity. Increasing guaranteed income. Payout increases annually by 5% throughout the payout period. With both these options, the policyholder also enjoys the benefits of cash bonuses. These bonuses are payable annually. Starts after 1 year of premium paying term and is paid till maturity or death of the insured, whichever is earlier. The payout is based on the performance of the participating fund. We have just covered one of the benefits offered by this plan, and there are many more to talk about. Do you want to know more? Keep watching this space and visit Mobcast on your mobile phone to know more about this plan. Till then, keep learning and happy selling!